My fellow money makers, and again I come with a killer video. And of course I've showed you guys the DEX trader David, Wall Street Invest, and I've shown that he is making like 1500% in like 6 months. So this is really amazing, and of course it is the safe, stable growth that we are looking for. I do have something else. As you can see, this is a new trader. He's on the site for 1 month. He's done 40 trades, but what is the legendary part? If you check it, here, you see profitable trades count. And if I go to the site, that means that you see that he has 100% profitable trades. He has not closed a bad trade, which is quite massive. And I'm going to show you guys how to find that trader, how to subscribe to him, and also show you that I subscribe to him while doing the same, guys. As you can see, the minimum you're going to be needing in your account, his name's SARUJA, the minimum you're going to need in your account is $100. This can be with, I would advise, do not do the deposit bonus as it's not working with him, I believe. And also the fact that it increases your risk. There are limitations to it, and it's not non-tradable. And of course, also there is a possibility that your risk when drawdown is going to become more, and there's going to be some limitations to using that bonus. If you do not have the $100 to start with, then I would advise to do the bonus, like a $40, then do the 120% deposit bonus. And then after first deposit and KIC, you can make a $30 welcome bonus, $30 welcome bonus. Okay, guys, let me show you a little bit his stats. As you can see here, like this is from a month. He does not trade every day, but the days that he's trading, oh my God, man, he's a legend. So you can see, like on Friday, he did nothing. On Thursday, he did. On Wednesday, he did a little bit. And you can just see that as an example, his money has grown from $2,144 to 50,000. I believe this is 50,000 now. Yeah, to 50,000 in a moment. So that means that he has gotten a massive yield of almost 900%. And of course, I say, well, might risk it, guys. So let me show you how to subscribe to the trader. You can see here that my balance is 10,141. And we're going to be needing a minimum deposit of 100. So I am getting there. We're going to subscribe to the trader. And of course, because it's an electronic signature, I will have to type my full name. Why? Because, guys, I'm going to be fully honest. Oh, yes, I'm going to be fully honest with you guys. It is a trader. There is risk involved. And like I'm saying with Dux, like he has been making a lot of money in the last 6 months. But this trader has been on the site for 30 days, which means that he is growing, but we do not have the statistics like if he's going massive in many years. So this is, of course, one of my riskier plays. 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. My little princess, she's growing some teeth, and I don't remember it from when I was young, but it seems that it is quite unpleasant. Let's just call it like that. I believe I've shown you. This is here. Let me go like this. Refresh this page. And then we can see that subscription active. Here is your iPhone. Oh. And here you can see that the setting status is active, and you can see it here below. Your account accepts signals from Wall Street Invest and SARUJA. This is SARUJA. And of course, he also has a own Telegram group. This includes this trader, guys. This is PTC Pet from the Netherlands. And I just had to say, I love this one, like 100% profitable trades. So make your own decision, do your own research, and see if this is a fit for you. Stay safe, be blessed, and on to the next video.